I've forgotten already. What's it called? San Miguel? What?
Golf.
Golf, thank you, right. Hello, Simon, Sutton, George from Tenerife Property Group, and today we're looking at a 2-bedroom apartment. It was originally designed as a 1-bedroom apartment, so on this level that we're on now, it's got 1 bedroom, it's got a bathroom here, it's got the kitchen behind me. We've got a nice terrace outside with a fantastic sea view. We're actually penthouse, and because it's got such a large roof terrace, they've actually put another bedroom on top of it. It's also got a bathroom, and there's still space there for a table and chairs and a barbecue area around the back. The name of the complex is San Miguel Golf, and we're in Golf del Sur. Let's have a look around. Okay, so we're coming through the main door here then. We're coming straight into the lounge. Nice bright lounge. We've got the sun coming in here at the moment, that's nice. And fully fitted kitchen. I see over here we've got a dishwasher, obviously oven, and it's more of a residential type property rather than a holiday type complex. So proper oven, washing machines out here as well in this utility room. We've got a microwave there as well. And there's your boiler. And we've got a nice area there to have indoor meals if you want them. I should think most of your meals will be eaten outside. So on this level we've got the bedroom here, so this is a nice size. And again, really nice and bright. There's no balcony or terrace there, but a fab sea view from there. That's really nice. And then we've got fitted wardrobes here as well. So good. Back out here and into the bathroom. So we've got a full bath, toilet, bidet and hand basin there as well. Okay. So plenty of storage in the lounge here. Nice sized lounge, as I say. Good bit of sun coming in, and we've got a nice balcony and this fantastic view. And we can see right out to sea, and you can see it across there to the harbour as well, and down to the pool. That's a fantastic looking pool, that. So back into the lounge, and then up this spiral staircase, and we'd be going up onto the roof terrace. We're actually led into this other bedroom here, so I'm assuming that's a sofa bed there. But they've put a bathroom here as well. So they've got a shower. That's one of those massage type showers, I think, by the looks of it. And you've got a hand basin here. And then just the other side of the door, we've got a toilet. This is a big bedroom as well. You class this as a nice bedroom. Now this property's got air conditioning throughout as well. So out onto this terrace, as I say, there's still plenty of room. They've got a table here, plenty of room for 4 chairs. Absolutely lovely up here. And then at the back here you've got a barbecue area with a sink. We've actually got the pleasure of Colin from the office. We'll ask him a few questions about it as well.
Just round the corner from this complex you've also got another row of bars and restaurants. Yeah. And then just literally 5 minutes walk away you've got the San Blas Centre, which is the hub, if you like, of entertainment and nightlife on Golf del Sur. 2 pedestrianised piazzas, so it's ideal for families with small children. They can run around and that's very, very popular.
And we're close to the golf as well, aren't we?
Yes, you've got a 27-hole golf course, and then Amarillo Golf is just literally 10 minutes away, another 18-hole golf course. So.
Right. And this apartment, how long has it been owned by the current owners then?
They've owned it from scratch. I think the apartment was built back 2005, something like that. Okay. They've looked after it very, very nicely. It's a beautiful apartment, as you'll see. They've never rented it out, so they've just done it for their own use, and they've only been over 3-4 times a year, so it's not worn out then as such. By any means, no.
Right. Cheers, thanks. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonsg@tenerifepropertygroup.com. So that's me, Simon Sutton George at Tenerife Property Group. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.